Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday. It's a little bit later than usual. I usually start my vlogs in the morning, but like I said yesterday, I've been very down today, very sick. I have a sore throat. My ears are just non-stop ringing. I might go get checked out later, but I really don't feel that good. But we gotta keep on pushing, right? Today, Sunday, I really want to just go over the market with you guys. I might just have like a market breakdown or something like that, because at the end of the day, honestly, there's no energy in me right now. I'm having my coffee. Hopefully that wakes me up and doesn't make me crash out. But yeah, I just feel horrible. But we're gonna keep pushing, right? We're gonna keep pushing. This is not going to stop me, right? Like I said yesterday, I realized what I gotta do. I gotta execute with 100% focus. I gotta keep on pushing. Tomorrow is a trading day. Like I said, weekends are very slow for me. I hate the weekends now, especially me being sick. I completely hate this shit because, bro, my ears fucking hurt like a bitch. But we're going to get over this, right? We're going to get over this. I'm about to get some medication or some shit because I'm not letting this stop me, right? But yeah, right now I'm headed back to work. And one thing I want to talk to you guys about, I don't know how good this microphone cover that I got is going to be. But yeah, right now I'm headed to work. Like I said, I hate the weekends because I really don't do shit. It's mainly a slow day full of fucking traffic for me. But I mean, it is what it is, right? One thing that I really want to thank you guys for is for the amount of love that I'm getting. One of my videos just hit over 600 views, which I've done in the past, right? But it's been a minute, and I'm very thankful for every single one of you guys who takes the time out of the day and watches my videos. I hope I inspire you guys. The whole purpose of me recording my journey is to show people that it's possible. Even if you have a job, even if you're facing adversity, you can do these things, right? It's not people that get lucky. No, there's no fucking luck in this shit. Maybe one video goes crazy and you get that luck, right? But I am posting fucking day in and day out. I am doing this daily to show you guys that every day counts. And this might not tie to trading, but it actually does, because how I've been saying, like, how you do one thing is how you do everything, right? If I don't show up one day when it comes to recording, once I'm in the markets, and I don't show up just because I don't feel like it, I could miss a potential great trade, right? Or if I don't show up, the thing is, for me, my schedule revolves around me recording. So pretty much if I'm recording, I have a list of things that I am doing, right? So let's say after I record, once I get home, I edit my content, I do my back testing session, I study, how do I say this? I don't meditate, but I just really reflect on my day and what needs to get done in order for it to be a productive day. So it's all part of my routine, right? And if I fall off of one thing, I fall off of everything, right? Like yesterday that I took that nap, it set me back a lot. But we ended the night strong. We uploaded the video, we recorded the content, we made a lot of stuff, we finished strong. And today is the same thing, just that I am sick. But I mean, that's not stopping no one, right? We still got our responsibilities. I still got to show up to work. I still got all these things that I got to do. And at the end of the day, I look back to when I woke up and didn't want to do none of these things, right? I didn't want to do none of these things. And like I was speaking on yesterday when I told you guys about my plan and all these things, my daily reminders. I told you guys that I get my energy and my motivation, like some people say motivation, from the fact that nobody else is doing these things, right? Nobody else around me is doing these things because it's hard. Yes, it's fucking hard. It's easier to call into work when you're sick and not show up. it's easier to fucking pick up a joint and smoke than work out and get better, right? It's easier to turn on the TV. It's easier to fucking scroll on your phone. Those things are easy. But what I'm fucking doing, sacrificing that momentary pleasure, is putting me 10, 20 steps ahead of those around me, right? And I am not going to stop, because that keeps me going. I understand that the people around me are where they're at because of their decisions. And I am not trying to be like nobody else. I'm trying to be better than everybody else. And I am not trying to be like everybody else. I'm trying to be me. I'm trying to be different. And I'm trying to set an example for the people around me, right? I want to show people that we are not what our fucking surroundings, what our predicament dictates, right? We are more than that. We just got to start thinking for ourselves and start acting. Because if you wait for the perfect moment, it's not going to happen. Trust me, it's not going to happen. Patience is key. Yes, patience is the key to everything. It ties everything down together. And I've been a little bit impatient in the past months, and that's why I keep taking 10 steps backwards. But like I said previously, I'm moving more diligently. I am doing everything properly, right? And however long it takes, at the end of the day, realistically speaking, the 9-to-5 jobs are always gonna be there. So I only make it or I make it. It's either I make it or I make it, right? My plan is not being a 9-to-5 worker for the rest of my life, but if trading takes a minute, if the content takes a minute, there is no rush. And that's how there is no, if it doesn't work out, it's not like nothing changes for me, right? I'm still working a 9-to-5. I'm still doing the basics, right? I'm still providing for myself and for the people around me, right? The only thing is, I am doing a little bit more than the average person to be great. And trust me, day in and day out, it keeps stacking, right? But if I fail, I can pick myself up and keep on pushing. Those 9-to-5 jobs are going to be there. Companies need workers, right? So in the back of my head, I know that I got to do this for myself. If it takes a minute, it don't matter, because once I make it, everything is going to be, every sacrifice is going to be worth it, right? I don't know, but my throat and my ears are fucking killing me right now. That coffee actually helping me, but at the same time, it's like I feel hot even though it's cold outside. And like, I don't know, I'm just all over the place right now. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys once I'm home. Just made it home. I took a shower. I'm about to make some food right now. Once I'm done making food, I'll go over the market with you guys. A little overview of what I'm expecting for tomorrow. I think we do not have any news. Don't take my word for it. Right now, I haven't checked. I do feel a little bit better, but still, my ears are I don't know. Like, I have a lot of air in my ears. Like, this ear is the worst one. But it is what it is. We'll keep on pushing. We'll keep on getting better. I'm going to make my food right now. I am very hungry. My stomach is growling. I'm about to make some ground beef. I do not know what else. Probably some rice. But yeah, after I make my meal, I'll hop on the chart with you guys. And yeah, pretty much just, I don't want to say back test, but I want to see what direction the market is going to go. And honestly, I might do that now. I might back test for a little bit right now with you guys or on my own. But after work, I do want to see what direction the market is heading into, because I think Asian session opens in like a couple hours. I want to say 2-3 hours. So we'll see where we go from there. I do want to see a continuation from Friday, that we were taking out those lows and we were pushing downwards. And pretty much everything is down right now. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, everything is down. So I do want to see us continue that downtrend. One thing I wanted to share with you guys. Damn, bro. I can't fucking hear. One thing that I wanted to share with you guys is you guys got to keep pushing, right? Like I always say, things are going to happen once they are meant to happen, right? I was coming back from work and I was just reflecting a lot on a lot of stuff, right? And everything is hard, right? Like I was telling you guys earlier, it takes all these sacrifices, and Don't get me wrong, like I'm sick. It is fucking with me, right? And I was at an intersection, same signs that I always see, right? I seen this Corvette, right? All black with some red specs on it. It's those little things that like keep me pushing, right? And like I keep saying, I'm not a materialistic person, but I know that God is just sending me those signs and telling me to keep on pushing because I am right there to breaking through right? I am literally right there at my breakthrough point. I just gotta keep on pushing and believing in myself. Show up regardless, right? We're gonna keep on showing up. We're gonna keep on doing these things, and I'm not letting this stopping me right now. Like I'm speaking, and I feel like, you know, when you have like, I don't know how to say it, like when you got water in your ear and shit. It sounds like a fucking fucked up microphone and shit, bro. Like it's horrible. Like I hate that sensation, and it is making me kind of like dizzy. Because I'm very sensitive for my ears for some reason. When I have ear infection or some shit, I tend to get, what is it called? I don't fucking know what it's called, but I get very dizzy. I kind of lose my balance, right? But that's fucking with me right now. But we're gonna overcome that shit. I see the signs. It's just a matter of time, like I keep saying. But yeah, let's get to making some food. We'll hop into the charts once Asian session opens. But yeah, let's get to it. That guac kind of brown, but this is the lunch for today. I am focusing more on higher protein meals. So that's a serving of the ground beef. Then I got a fried egg and then some spinach. But yeah, I'm about to knock this out, get ready for work, and I'll see you guys once I'm back. Right now, I am laying in my floor because I just finished my workout. Don't mind the mess I got in the back. But, yeah, I still feel sick. My right here, like in the bottom of my ear, where my, like, I don't know, y'all can fucking touch right here where your jaw and your ear connects. Like this whole thing fucking hurts. I can't hear out my right ear. It's just full of air every time I swallow, pause. It pops. So I'm going through it right now, especially me being congested. Like I can barely fucking breathe too. But you guys can see here, we opened on the gap for this week. We did that last week as well. And eventually during the week, we ended up filling that. But like I had said previously, I wanted us to continue this downtrend, right? Let's say the news. We do have news tomorrow at 8 a.m. my time, 10 a.m. New York time, which we have to look out for that. Then we got Tuesday, Wednesday, a whole new week. We got NFP on Friday. Good to know that. But yeah, we got all these news pretty much for the whole week. We're booked on news, right? Damn. With what the president got going on with Mexico and Canada, like everything is dropping. Look at Solana, bro. Like it went down. Damn, it went down to these levels. I didn't get my fucking alert. But I've been calling out, like one of my boys is into crypto, and I've been telling him that Solana was gonna come back down to this key level. Because it has had reactions off of that level. But I mean, whatever, fuck that, right? But it dropped drastically. Ethereum too, it dropped down to almost 2,000, which is crazy. And I think, I don't have Bitcoin here, but I think Bitcoin is under 100K again. To a point, it was like what? Let me see. It's at 94, but it was almost at 90. Yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, everything is just dropping. Is gold dropping too? I mean, I don't know. But yeah, everything is dropping like crazy. I do want to continue. In my honest opinion, I do want to see us keep this downtrend, but like I said, I mean, with this gap opening and everything going on, we don't know. And then we got news. So I want to say we continue to drop. I would have to wait till market open. I would honestly have to wait till market open. Or if London session does something, like I could base myself off of that. But in all honesty, just like last week where we didn't come back to this gap until, I want to say Wednesday, not even Wednesday, until Thursday and Friday, we came back into this gap. I would like to expect the same thing and continue the bearish downtrend. But I mean, I don't know. I want to see London take out these highs though. I mean, I want to see London take out these lows. If London does not take out these lows, I want to see New York session do something in regards to those lows, right? Don't tell me I lost my fucking toolbar again, bro. Come on, man. Whatever. Where are you at, bro? Come on, where the fuck is that shit at? Alright, cool. I would like to see us target this area right here during London. I mean, I already had the fucking lines, right? But this is something that I would like us to pretty much target if we take out these lows during London, right? So let's say where is the path to? Man, it's probably right in my fucking face right now. Here we go. I would really want to see London have some sort of like reaction with these lows and then push a little bit higher. Once market open, we take out these lows. I want to see something like this, right? Even these lows down here, but it would have to be that London has something to do with these lows out here, like taking out these lows. This area is what interests me to see a reaction off of it and continue the bearish downtrend, because if everything is trending down, like the whole market is pretty much red, right? And if we do this during London, I would look for a confirmation or an entry at market open, which would be 30 minutes before the news as well. So I would look for a bearish confirmation and pretty much go from there. Catch something before the news, or even, I don't want to say pre-market because like I said, I want to respect my, respect my rules. But we can also wait after the news and trade, what is it, from 10:30 to 11, which is a lot of things happen after that time too. So only time will tell. But overall, I am bearish, and I would like to see us break through these levels. As you guys can see, there are levels of interest. There are levels of interest for me, right? These two levels right here are levels of interest for me to see a reaction, right? So if London takes out these lows and then pulls back a little bit, I would like to find an entry once market opens, and with those news, I think we could take out these lows and potentially target these lows down here, right? Last week's November's lows too, because we do have this imbalance right here as well. So I don't know, man. It's a fucking stretch, but I mean, you can see overall, yes, the market is trending upwards. Like I said on my previous videos, like the market is going to keep on trending upwards. But you guys can see here, we went all the way up, and then we've been in a consolidation state, right? We are making moves from 22,000, like thousand point moves. But still, right here, we stayed in this area of consolidation, right? We're trading sideways. Yes, we're having momentum, whatever you guys want to call it. Some people might say support and resistance, but I'm not a support and resistance trader. I'm just a time-based. Pretty much my whole strategy is more time-based liquidity, which is where there's high volume times. But you guys can see this range, right? I don't want to make it a long video, but you guys can see that we are in this range consistently. We've been trading sideways. Now here, we were trading in an uptrend, right? Same here, we were in an uptrend, but from the 7th, from Thursday to Friday, we were trading sideways, right? Yes, we did have a move lower during Friday and Saturday and Sunday, but you guys can see those trends, right? Like here, we were trading sideways, then we had a push higher. Same thing here. These market conditions are beautiful, right? Beautiful downtrend, beautiful uptrend. You can see the difference from these trends to this trend over here, right? Like what the fuck is this price action, right? Like we're just trading sideways. But I might not be making sense to some people, but honestly, bro, this is what makes sense to me. And I hope some people like find this as like, whoa, you know, like oh, maybe this is how I see it. This is how I get my trades. You guys can see we're going up. Here too, we were going up, right? Like we were going up. Then what happened? We're trading down. We're not trading sideways like we are here. Yes, it is going up, and down, but still we're staying in this range. We're not breaking through like here. You see here we broke through this, but we're tapping the same areas. We're tapping the same fucking areas. Even here, these two levels like pretty much are in the same range. These two levels are in the same range. These two levels are in the same, you know? But yeah, it's pretty much for me, my whole strategy is time-based liquidity. So like I said, if London takes out this liquidity, I would like to see us consolidate a little bit up, find a lower time frame entry, which would be a gap or something, and then go from there, right? Like, and then go from there. In all honesty, that is a strategy that has been working for me, and it's y'all seen by the videos, right? Even when I was demo trading, I want to say 2 weeks ago, I have a video where I was having 100% profitable trades for 2 weeks, not losing. I was having winning streaks, right? But it all comes down to this. For time-based liquidity, which is during volatile times, which when will that be? It will be when market opens 9:30 New York time, right? But yeah, boys. I'm gonna call. This is the end of the video. Right now, I am about to finish my workout. I got 2 more rounds to go. I am sick. I have no energy. I have no motivation. I'm going through a lot mentally. Work, me trying to prove something to myself, bills, everything is stacking against me. But like I said, my time is coming, right? Me going over this video right now, I got home from work and I was all stressed out about all these things that are coming and stuff, about all these things that are upcoming, right? It's only a matter of time. I just gotta keep my faith bigger than anything. Yes, the whole thing around us is stressful. A lot of things are stressful. The news, everything is pretty much stressful. And now that I'm an adult, I'm a father, everything is just in my head. I'm just, I gotta make it. I gotta prove it. And this is something that I want to prove to myself. Nobody believes in me, around me. People laugh. People just keep telling me, well, if you know how to make all this money, why do you still have your same job and all this stuff, right? People don't get it. People are not going to understand you. You're going to be misunderstood. But as long as you prove stuff to yourself and you keep showing up, it's hard. Trust me, it's hard. That's why I keep telling you guys. This is where I get my energy from. Nobody is doing these things, right? Slowly but surely, time will tell. Like I said, this is me documenting my journey. I'm going to show you guys how I turn my life around one day at a time. This whole YouTube stuff for me, and one thing I want to say, I am so thankful for 440 subscribers, man. Like, my goal for January was 450 subs. Literally the day after, 2 days after, damn near my goal, right? But I can't thank you guys enough. I really appreciate every single one of you guys that are following me in this journey. And if you guys are going through the same thing that I am going, I just want to tell you guys that it keeps getting better. Just show up. Honestly, just show up. If you miss one day, show up the next day. It will get better as long as you keep going. Don't give up. There's a reason why you feel this in you. There's a reason why you are different than everybody else. You got this shit. Let's get to it, boys. I got a lot of stuff to finish. I want to say, what time is it? It's almost 8:30. I got to upload this video, edit this video. Hopefully it's up by 9. But yeah, I'll see you boys in the next one. And let's make it a productive week. Let's make some money in the markets. Let's change our life one day at a time. Let's get to it.